In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to equip weapon in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to acquire your first weapon and how to equip them. I'm also gonna be describing how you can switch between the weapons freely. So first, for you to acquire your first weapon, go over to the blacksmith, so it is right by this board here. You will be able to go up these stairs, and at the top, you will find all of the weapons that you can buy. These are going to be 50 gold each, and you will be able to choose between the spear, the sword, or the staff. Depending on which one you select, you will be able to play as certain classes that you can develop later on. You can get more information here if you are curious, and you can even get tips for making gold. But usually for you to make some starting gold, all that you have to do is complete these quests given out by the guild, so you can click on any of them, for example, slime cleaning, defeat the slimes outside of the city, and then turn it in. You will be able to get your reward and then buy the specific weapon. You can also complete quests for random NPCs around the map. Now, for you to actually equip it, just press B to open your inventory or tap the backpack icon if you are on mobile, and in here you will see all of your items. So all that you have to do here is select any of them, drag them into your hotbar, and you will be able to use them. So you will see them during combat, and usually if you have a weapon equipped, it is going to appear over here at the right side of the screen. Now, sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this. I have a new character and this one doesn't have any money. But if you did have a weapon, you would press a specific button, so for example 1, and as soon as you use the weapon, as long as it is on your hotbar or even on your inventory, you would see the weapon being equipped here. You will also be able to equip offhand items, enchant items, so enchant your weapons, and then equip artifacts, rings, earrings, necklace, and armor. So all that you have to do is open your backpack and use a specific item that you would like to equip. Your character is going to pull it up, meaning that you can now use that specific item. I hope I was able to help you on how to equip skills in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.